This is Jeff at the Fort Mill Public Library. We're going to be demonstrating how to use the new self-checkouts. The first thing you want to do is scan your library card in. And I heard it beep, and unfortunately it didn't do anything, and that's because you have to place the cursor in the box. So just click in the box, make sure it's blinking there in the box, and now we can scan our card in. So it seems like we got scanned in, but unfortunately we didn't. And I know that because under user ID, there's nothing there. So that second scan was actually just to wake up the machine. If I scan it one more time, you can see the name of the patron appears there, and it tells us what we have checked out. Now we can proceed to check out our items. Now, you can see this one has two barcodes. Be sure not to scan this one. Scan this one. Well, we have a pop-up here. If you get a pop-up saying you need an override, it's probably from an item from a display that you got. Sometimes the non-cataloged DVDs will also give you a pop-up that you can override. Just click on override. If it asks you for a PIN, you need to take that item to the front desk. To end your session, you can either click on switch user here or scan your card again. I'm going to scan the card, and you can see that I am now checked out. It does not print out a receipt. You will get one email to the email on your account.